The projects I selected to illustrate pedagogy and theory are first a video blog I created discussing multimedia in the classroom. Second, a research paper comparing situated cognition and instructivism in math education. And finally, a relative advantage chart I created for an adult math course. The video demonstrates pedagogy and theory by focusing on the impact of using multimedia in the classroom and why multimedia can accelerate learning. It also warns that multimedia must be integrated into the lesson and not just a standalone resource without proper context. Throughout the video, I support the claims with reputable sources demonstrating application of some of the theories surrounding multimedia. The research paper dives into the exciting and controversial research of Jean Lave on the amazing computational skills of street vendor children. Her conclusions about learning math through situated cognitive experience have led to a branch of math education focused on teaching purely through exploration. However, even though exploration is good, it's important to include explicit instruction as well, because as other researchers found, situated cognitive experience is not enough to create transferability of the concepts to other applications. In other words, instructivist methods for teaching are needed for students to be able to transfer what they know from a specific situation to a similar but different application. I've had to utilize the research found in this paper to justify including explicit instruction on topics such as the order of operations into a course, when another instructor has insisted it's unnecessary because students should inherently understand the order of operations based on real-world experience. But without the order of operations, a student cannot express the concepts that they understand in written form. The verbal equivalent of this problem is illustrated by the fact that someone can speak a language but not be able to read or write it. The transferability of knowledge from understanding to paper must be explicitly taught. The paper demonstrates the need to examine and apply multiple theories in good pedagogy and not get focused on just one approach. Finally, the relative advantage chart for an adult math course demonstrates good pedagogy and theory, or respectfully in this case, good andragogy and theory, by analyzing the tools available before starting to develop in order to ensure tools with the highest expected advantage will be used.